In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down menu on Squarespace. Whether you're new to Squarespace or just looking to enhance your site's navigation, setting up a drop-down menu can make your user interface much more streamlined and efficient. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to log in to your Squarespace account. If you don't already have an account, you can easily sign up on the Squarespace website. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if this is your first time. Now, locate the website button on the dashboard and give it a click. This will take you directly to your website's backend settings where all the magic happens. Next, you'll want to find and click on Pages. This is where you can see all of your existing pages and the different categories they fall under. You'll notice that your pages are organized under Main Navigation, which is where we're going to add the drop-down menu. Now look for the plus icon. It's usually somewhere at the top or beside the Main Navigation title. Click on this icon to add a new item. Upon clicking, a menu will appear showing different options. Here, you should select Dropdown. This option creates a folder for your menu items, which is essentially how your drop-down menu is structured. Once the drop-down is created, you'll need to give it a name. Make sure to use something intuitive and relevant, as this will serve as the label for your drop-down menu that visitors see. It could be something simple like services or products, depending on your website's purpose. After naming your drop-down, it's time to populate it with pages. You have two options here. If you already have existing pages that fit under this new category, you can simply drag and drop them into the folder you just created. If the pages you need don't exist yet, don't worry. You can create them directly by clicking Add Page below the drop-down, and they will automatically be added to your new menu. To ensure your drop-down menu appears exactly how you want it, you might need to adjust the order of the pages within it. Simply drag and drop the pages within the drop-down folder to rearrange them into your desired order. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. This final step is crucial. It ensures that all your hard work is reflected on your actual website. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully created a drop-down menu on Squarespace. This feature can greatly enhance the usability of your website, improving navigation for your visitors. Feel free to explore other customization options within Squarespace to further refine your site. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.